did he go to Calvary? Why would the Holy One bleed for me? He saw my sin and carried the shame, spiked hands, pierced side, still he came for me, for you, for all the world. Love held him there, mercy did not turn away. He took my place on that hill of sorrow and grace. For God so loved the world, He gave His only Son. Whoever believes in Him shall not perish but live. For God so loved the world, Jesus did it for me. Jesus did it for the world. Now I can be free. He wore the thorns, He drank the cup, He bowed His head, but love stood up. The grave could not keep Him down. Resurrection power all around. What He gave, no hands could earn. Love held Him there, mercy did not turn away. He took my place on that hill of sorrow and grace. For God so loved the world, He gave His only Son. Whoever believes in Him shall not perish but live. For God so loved the world, Jesus did it for me. Jesus did it for the world. Now I can be free. Nailed to the tree, He thought of me, broken for my eternity. Blood on the wood, victory. He opened heaven's door for me. 5 feet high, Jesus, my life belongs to you. For God so loved the world, He gave His only Son. Whoever believes in Him shall not perish but live. For God so loved the world, Jesus did it for me. Jesus did it for